Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course. This course is suitable for professionals, entrepreneurs, customer service employees, and job seekers. Its goal is to enhance confidence, clarity, and effectiveness in phone conversations. It includes practical exercises and communication techniques to improve speaking skills. With this course, individuals will manage phone calls more confidently. This course has around 47,000 students and holds a 4.3 rating, making it a practical choice. The current price with a Udemy discount is approximately €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access and benefit from future updates. The course duration is 1 hour, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn: speak on the telephone with confidence and authority. Communicate effectively on all phone calls. Talk with clarity on calls. Now, I want to provide this exciting course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and enter couponcenter5.com in the Google search engine. From the results shown, click on this link. Make sure the website address matches the one displayed here and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Search for the desired course using the search section. Now, you can view the selected course. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click the button. Go to the course. The course will be available for you free of charge. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. Now, with just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to this course. If this video was helpful for you, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.